Hi, this is Andrew Ferks. I'm the owner here of 99 Dana Avenue. I'm going to give you a little tour today of our second floor apartment here. You can see we're close to Albany Medical Center, which is right down the block. Right down here to the right is Washington Park, which is one of the best parks in all of Albany. And then if you go down a couple blocks there, you'll see Lark Street, and that's where a bunch of restaurants and bars are. One of the good hubs of Albany. So let me take you upstairs. The tenants did just move out, so bear with us as we're going to do some updating, including repainting these steps, giving the entire apartment a nice deep clean. As you come up, you can see we're going to put some closet doors here as well. Great ceiling height, really nice natural exposure. Plenty of space to build out your own living room space, the home office. So this is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath. This will be the first of the 2 bedrooms. Both are definitely queen size, if not larger. And again, we'll put some closet doors here. Doesn't work. And repaint the entire apartment. Off to the left here is the bathroom. I'm going to do a new vanity. We're going to move the washer dryers downstairs to a common laundry room and storage area. So in the basement of this building, there is a big laundry room that we built out with extra storage for this apartment and the one right below it. Probably do new flooring here, new grout work, kind of clean it up a little bit, modernize it. Probably new fixtures and stuff like that. Here is the other bedroom. As you can see, also quite large. Again, with a big closet. Could fit a king-size bed in here for sure. And here is the kitchen, which we're gonna probably do new appliances, reconfigure it how it sits. It's a little awkward right now. New paint job, maybe do a backsplash, possibly definitely new countertop, and then new appliances. The apartment comes with central AC and heating, and its own very sizable back deck. This is great for little barbecues and hangout. So I hope you enjoy your tour. Hope to see you again.